Welcome back to the channel, guys. Got another quick one for you. Today we are just going to be working on Lily's RX. We got some spacers to install, air filter to change out, and just kind of give this thing a quick little clean and detail. So stick around. Lily's actually just pulling in now. Hey gorgeous, let's pop those wheels off.
Let's do it.
Being that we only have to rotate them, I lifted up one side, gonna pop them off, clean them up, put the spacers on, put them back on, do the other side. Little man's gonna clean these wheels while I install those spacers. So he'll get these knocked out real quick. And I'll get going on those other ones. While the little man cleans the wheels, I'm gonna clean off all these surfaces, get the rust off, and then I'll come in here and clean out the wheel well while it's all open. Shock absorber everything, clean it all up, and then we'll install the wheel spacers. Just in time, Amazon brought our new filter. With these wheel wells all cleaned out, we can go ahead and install these wheel spacers and bolt them down. These wheel spacers did come with red Loctite, which normally I don't think you should put, but you definitely don't want these to back out. The specs do call for between 72 and 80 foot-pounds, so we're gonna put it at the obvious 76 and call it good from there. Good time to put the tire gel on now, because you can get all the way around nice and even. Make sure when you guys are washing your cars that you get in here if you have this carpet, because if it gets all nasty and muddy, it defeats the whole purpose of it, because it's supposed to quiet things down. And if you guys didn't know, all of this plastic, you can put the tire gel on it. That way when you install the wheel back on, it gives it a really nice, rich background. It just makes everything kind of pop and look better. One side done, I'm gonna knock the other side off on camera just to get it out of the way. It's crazy how something so simple like a 20 millimeter wheel spacer can make such a big difference. It looks so much better. A little bit of aggression in there and it looks cool. These are technically stock wheels, but they're bigger than original. They look fantastic on the car, and those Michelin 4 tires look sick. Now that we have the wheels back on, we can replace that air filter that just came in. The one that we have on here, we put in a couple years ago. I have washed it a few times, essentially every time I do an oil change, but I feel like it's time to put in a fresher one. And this time we actually went with an AEM dry flow one, which was developed with K&N, but this one is a dry flow versus like an oiled filter, the way K&N normally does their thing. This guy's a tiny little guy. The new one that I have does seem a little bit bigger, so we're going to see. If anything, we might just have the flange come out through the back and we'll put the screw here. We'll see. This the ECU might get in the way, but let's check it out. So this is the new AEM dry flow filter, and from the box alone it already looks a bit chunkier, but it looks close enough that we might be able to just squeeze it in there. That MAF sensor is a little bit in the way, but maybe we can make it work. And you can tell that AEM at least cares, right? Everybody knows AEM is for quality. And they gave a stainless steel USA made clamp, so it won't rust or anything like that, and it'll hold that filter right in place. Comparing the two, the AEM is a little bit longer. The smaller end is about the same. The taller end, the K&N, is a little bit bigger. I don't know if you guys can see that right there. It's a little bit bigger. But as far as like lengthwise, they don't seem too significantly larger. So we'll throw this in, see how it fits in there. Hopefully we're good. After a little struggle session trying to just squeeze it in how it was, it didn't fit quite right. What helped was I unbolted the battery and I was able to kind of wiggle it around. And now I'm just going to put everything back together, put all the plastics back down. And kind of seems like a big headache for a little filter, but performance, right? Performance. Maybe. I got it to fit.
Was the hole big?
No, I mean, it was normal, just like the last one. Yeah. Sounds sick. And now we can go and get some beauty shots.